this is life, right? Relax.
This water's soft. There's a difference in water and hot tub.
100% there is.
I'm telling you, my water isn't this soft.
You have to balance your water.
I can't balance anything on that thing. Every time I go on, it's like a science project.
I know, but you balance the water. I'm telling you, makes a difference. People don't realize it.
It's so soft.
You got to have your pH, your alkalinity, and all your calcium. You balance the water. It's a good thing when you come in. You enjoy it. You know.
Now, educate me a little. How often would you check your chemicals in your pool? Do you do it daily? Do you do it weekly?
So if you're using the hot tub a lot, I'd like to see people check it every couple of days. And especially when you get a brand new hot tub, you're going to use it a lot.
Yeah.
If you start to use it less, you only use it once or twice a week, I'm okay with testing it once a week. You should definitely check it once a week, in my opinion. If you're using it a lot, it's not a bad thing every couple of days. I mean, it's hot water, and hot water demands a lot of chemicals.
Right.
And then hot water can, sometimes have some bacteria, so you're going to want to shock it and make sure your chlorine levels and your spa is in good shape.
And how often would you drain your hot tub and put new water in it?
I would never let it go more than 4 months. So at 90 to 120 days, and a lot of times we tell people if you have a pool, best time to do it is start, in the fall, before you drain your pool, get ready for the winter, drain your spa, pump the pool into the spa, you got fresh water, and just heat it up.